Hi children, welcome back again. So in the previous video, we discussed regarding the general properties of acids from taste to up to action with metallic hydroxide. So we have completed 1 to 6 general properties. Now here in this particular video, we are going to read and watch about the general properties of acids from 7 to 10. That is from action with metallic carbonates to action with active metals. Here we go. Yes. Are you ready? Clear. Now, next is with action with metallic carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay. So here we go with the particular seventh one, that is action with metallic carbonates or action with metal hydrogen carbonates. Ready? Now, okay. All metallic carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates react with dilute mineral acids to form their respective salts, water and carbon dioxide. From the previous things we discussed, no? So, did you see any extra thing regarding, no, other than metal, salt and water? Did you see any time? No, right? Just metal, salt and water. Here also metal, salt and water. But from the carbonate section, we have differentiation, okay? So, including with metallic salt and water, we do have other component, other product, that is carbon dioxide. Note that point, okay children? So, action with metallic carbonates or action with metallic hydrogen carbonates, we are going to receive a product extra than metallic salt and water, that is named as carbon dioxide, okay? All metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates reacting with dilute mineral acids and to give their respective salts and water and also carbon dioxide. That is a main important point to be noted here, children, okay? Don't forget main point over here. Fine. Now, the reaction is going like this. Metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate reacting with mineral acid. Reacting with which acid? Mineral acid, which is in dilute condition, to give rise to metal salt, water and also carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide which condition? Which state? Gaseous state, okay? So, here we go with the examples. Okay, we have K2CO3 reacting with 2HCl, dilute condition, giving rise to 2KCl and H2O and carbon dioxide. So, we have 2 reactants towards left hand side and 3 products towards right hand side. Fine. So, here we see K2CO3. What is K2CO3? It is named as potassium carbonate. What is this, children? Potassium carbonate. Potassium carbonate. Fine, good. Now, we know what is 2HCl. HCl means hydrogen chloride. Now, what is KCl? What is KCl? Potassium chloride. Very good. Potassium chloride. Now, H2O means water molecule. Very good. CO2 means carbon dioxide. So, these two are common, children. These two are common products regarding all the reactions, okay? So, this is all about the particular first example when potassium carbonate reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid, 2 molecules of that one, and giving rise to respective metallic salt. What is that? 2 molecules of potassium chloride, including with water and also carbon dioxide. Okay, clear now? Now, second example, what is that? KHCO3, this is one. KHCO3 plus HNO3, dilute condition, giving rise to KNO3 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. What is KHCO3? K2CO3 means potassium carbonate. Yes. Now, what is KHCO3? It is potassium. The word is same, potassium. And we have HCO3 now. That is bicarbonate. What is that, children? Bicarbonate. Okay. If you see any time H in the presence, between of them, you can write the word bi, B-I-bi. Okay. Yeah. So, potassium bicarbonate reacting with, what is this? Very good. Nitric acid. HNO3 is represented as nitric acid, giving rise to KNO3. What is this? Potassium nitrate. What is this? Potassium nitrate. Okay. and water and carbon dioxide respectively. Clear? Now, this is all about the second example. Clear now children? Potassium bicarbonate reacting with nitric acid giving rise to potassium nitrate including with water and also carbon dioxide. Fine. Now, the last example for you, it is CuCO3 plus H2SO4 dilute giving rise to CuSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay. What is CuCO3? CuCO3 is named as copper carbonate. Copper carbonate. Copper carbonate. Okay, children. Now, here we can write 2 also. Copper to carbonate. We'll write, we'll read as copper carbonate. That's it. Okay. Now, H2SO4 you know already. What is this H2SO4? You know it already, right? What is that? Very good. Sulfuric acid, dilute conditions of sulfuric acid giving rise to CuSO4. What is this CuSO4? Copper sulfate. Very good. Copper sulfate. And including with water and carbon dioxide as the respective products. Okay, children, this is all about action with metallic carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. This is metal carbonates in the sense this one K2CO3. Okay, I'll write here for you. Wait. Metal carbonates in the sense K2CO3, children. Okay. If it is metal hydrogen carbonates, that is KHCO3. Okay. Clear now? Clear this example right for you? Okay. So here we gave 2 no for the 2 words. Metallic carbonates means K2CO3. Example 1. And metal hydrogen carbonates means KHCO3. Example number 2. Clear now? Yeah, very good. If you can write also here also CuCO3. Okay. This is all about the 7th general properties of an acid, that is action with metallic carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay. Shall we move to the next particular property, children? Yes. Important point is you have to remember in the metallic carbonate section we have liberation of extra. What is that? Carbon dioxide in the which form? Gaseous form. Okay. Clear. Now, next slide. It is action with metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides. Okay. T. Sulfide T. Okay. Sulfides. Fine. Very good. So, similar to that in the previous slide only, children. All metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides. Okay. Metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides react with dilute mineral acids again to form their respective salts, water and special. What is that? Here we have special one. What is that? Sulfur dioxide gas. That is important now. The previous section what is asked? It is carbon dioxide. It is. Here it is. Sulfur dioxide. Okay. In the gaseous form. Okay. Remember that. Carbonates giving rise to carbon dioxide. Here. Sulfides. Sulfur dioxide SO2. Clear? Before it is CO2. Here it is SO2. Clear now? Okay. Remember that, children. Okay. Reaction you go like this. Metallic sulfide or metal hydrogen sulfide. Presence of which acid? Yes, mineral acid. Dilute condition giving rise to metallic salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Okay. Now, we have examples also 1, 2 and 3. Let's go with one by one. What is the first example, children? First example is K2SO3. What is K2SO3? K2SO3 is named as potassium sulfite. Okay. Metallic sulfides, no? What is that? K2SO3. Previous one K2CO3. Potassium carbonate. Very good. Here it is. Potassium sulfite. Here we have no sulfite. That's it. K means potassium. That's it. Okay. Now, reacting with 2 molecules of hydrogen chloride, dilute condition giving rise to 2 KCl plus water plus SO2. SO2, fine. Sulfur dioxide. Okay. Now, next one is KHSO3. What is KHSO3? Named as potassium potassium bisulfite. What is called as KHSO3 children? Potassium bisulfite plus HCl, hydrochloric acid, gives rise to KCl, potassium chloride, and H2O, and also sulfur dioxide as the respective products. Okay, children. Now, third example, CuSO3. What is CuSO3? Cu means copper. Very good. Copper. Let copper for you. COPPER, copper. Okay. Next, SO3 means sulfite. That's it. Copper sulfite plus H2SO4. Dilute condition gives rise to CSO4. What is CSO4? Copper sulfate plus H2O plus sulfur dioxide. Okay, what is the main important point in particular? Metallic sulfide, children, gives rise to a special gas. What is that? Sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, remember that. Fine. In the metal carbonates, it is carbon dioxide. It is sulfur dioxide. Clear? This is all about the action with metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides. Now, if you remember this, next will be very easy. Shall I show that? Yeah. Moving to next one. That is action with metallic sulfides. There is a word difference for you. What is that word? What is that word, children? D. There it is. T. Here it is. D. Okay. See D. In the place of T, we have D. That's it. Action with metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides. Okay. So, all metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides react with, same again, dilute mineral acids to form the respective metallic salts and hydrogen sulfide. There is no water here. Did you observe, children? There is no water. Before two, we have water. Yeah, we have water molecule, water molecule, water molecule, and also water molecules. Okay. So, up to metallic oxides to hydrogen sulfides, we have water molecules. But in hydrogen sulfides, we are not observing any water molecule in the particular product sections. Okay. This is products now. We have simply respective salts and also the hydrogen sulfide. Representation, it is H2S. Hydrogen sulfides are the main important key over here. In the metallic sulfides, we have the liberation of hydrogen sulfide. Okay. Hydrogen sulfide gas. Okay. H2S. Okay. Now, metallic sulfide or metal hydrogen sulfide reacts with mineral acid, dilute mineral acid. It gives rise to metal salt plus hydrogen sulfide. Just a gaseous form. Okay. Clear now? Very good. Now, here goes the reactions for you, children. First one is K2S. What is K2S? It is K means potassium. S means sulfide. Sulfide, no? Sulfide. Okay. Very good. Now, so K2S, potassium sulfide reacting with mineral acid. What is dilute mineral acid over here? Yes, two molecules of HCl. What HCl? Hydrochloric acid. Clear. Now, very good. Gives rise to 2 KCl, in the sense two molecules of potassium chloride and also H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas. Okay, children? Very good. Now, next one, KHS. KHS is represented as potassium hydrosulfide. Potassium hydrosulfide. Okay. So, potassium hydrosulfide reacts with HCl, in the sense hydrochloric acid gives rise to HCl. Sorry, KCl. What is KCl? Potassium chloride plus H, that is called as hydrogen sulfide. Okay. IDE. Okay. D. D is important. Okay. Now, third example. What is third example, children? CuS. What is CuS? Copper sulfide. Very good. Copper sulfide reacts with sulfuric acid, dilute condition gives rise to copper sulfate and hydrogen sulfide. This is all about the action with metallic sulfides or action with metal hydrogen sulfides. Okay. We have here now In the previous section, we have sulfides. This is sulfides. Okay, clear now? Example for metal sulfides are CuS and K2S. Then what about hydrogen sulfides? KHS. Okay. Okay, children. This is all about the 9th general property, reaction of acids with action with metallic sulfides or metal hydrogen sulfides. Okay. Now, the last general property, here we go, the easy one. Action with active metals. Okay. Active metals in the sense aluminium, iron, like this. Okay. So, we have two examples each, and here we have mineral acids, dilute condition, react with active metals to form their respective salts and hydrogen gas. Which gas here, children? Hydrogen gas. Which gas? Hydrogen, H2. Important point here. Hydrogen gas is important. Previously, what is that? Once again for you. Here, you can see. Fine. Here we have metallic carbonates, carbon dioxide gas, metallic sulfides. Where is that? Okay. Metallic sulfides, sulfur dioxide gas, metallic sulfides, hydrogen sulfide gas. Last, it is in the presence of active metals, it is giving which particular gas? Hydrogen gas. That is the key particular property regarding your bit section. You'll have all these things in your worksheet bits. Remember the gases carefully. Okay. But what particular action of that particular metallic with what you are getting the particular gas they'll ask you. Okay. In the reactant products, we have to see and remember carefully. Okay, children. Now, reaction metal plus mineral acid of dilute condition. It gives rise to metal salt plus hydrogen gas. That's it. Okay, first one is 2Al. What is Al, children? Aluminium. Very good. Aluminium. So, 2 molecules of aluminium giving rise to HCl. What is HCl? Wait 1 second. Aluminium. Okay. HCl means hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. Gives rise to AlCl3. What is AlCl3? Aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride plus H2. 3H2. 3 molecules of H2. Okay. And here iron, Fe means iron plus H2SO4. H2SO4? Sulfuric acid, where you are giving rise to FeSO4. What is FeSO4? It is ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay. These two are the examples with action with active metals. Okay. So, when 2 aluminium 2Al gives rise to, reacting with 6 molecules of hydrogen chloride, dilute condition, it gives rise to 2 molecules of aluminium chloride plus 3H2. Okay. Now, next, iron plus dilute sulfuric acid, when these two are reacted, gives rise to ferrous sulfate and hydrogen gas respective products. Okay. This is all about the reactions and examples of the particular, all the 10 general properties of acids, right from taste to action with active metals, children. Okay. Hope you all clearly understood regarding this, all the general properties of acids. So, here's for you this session. Thank you.